Hi everybody, welcome to this quick video. So today we are going to use the Geekbench 5 Pro test on my 2012 Samsung laptop. It's an i3 laptop with 6 gigs of RAM. I did upgrade it to an SSD, a PNY, 240 gigabytes. There was a sale at Best Buy. It is a 64-bit computer and it runs great. It's pretty awesome. So right now I switched to an external camera. We are running the CPU benchmark test. Unfortunately, it is not compatible with the run compute benchmark test. So we should get our results soon. It is a one processor, 2-count computer, but it runs like a dream since I put in the SSD. I could probably upgrade the RAM to if I wanted to 8 gigs, but it's not necessary because it is running like a dream. So our single core score is 453 and our multi-core score is 1027. Oh yeah, if you do have an original Windows 7 license on your old computer, feel free to upgrade to a Windows 10 version for free. I read an article about it. I'll put a link in the description below. Right now I'm running a Windows 10 Home Edition 1909. Make sure you do a backup and then make sure you write down your license key before you do it too. So like I said, the single core score is 453, crypto score is 49. Integer scores right there. We have our PDF rendering, which is 469. That's pretty good in my opinion. Our camera, this is a 0.3 megapixel camera. So your speech recognition is 454, which is a 4.5 words per second, and machine learning 387. So for the multi-core performance, it is a 1027 with a crypto score of 112. So you got your camera, which is 891, and you got your speech recognition. HDR is 1917. I'm actually pretty impressed with these results. Machine learning 628, not bad. It runs like a dream, so I'm gonna upload these results. This computer runs like a dream right now with the SSD. Definitely no regrets there. I'm not even sure if anybody's still using i3 nowadays, but I'm sure there are. I am happy with this laptop. Still pretty good. I'm going to do a follow-up video in the future. So thank you everybody for watching. Take it easy.